Welcome to aminacademy.com. In coordinate geometry, let us do some example problems. Example, find the distance between the points A is A plus B, comma B plus C, and B is A minus B and C minus B. Now, let this is x1, this is y1, this is x2, and this is y2. Now, let us find the distance between the points A and B. That is, AB equal square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square equal, here x2 is A minus B minus x1 is A plus B whole square plus y2 minus y1. y2 is C minus B whole square, C minus B, and C minus B and minus B plus C whole square. Here by simplification, A minus B minus A minus B whole square plus C minus B minus B minus C whole square, which is equal A and A cut, square root of minus 2B whole square plus, here C and C cut, minus 2B whole square, which is further equal square root of minus 2B whole square is 4B square plus minus 2B whole square is another 4B square. 4B square plus 4B square is square root of 8B square. Square root of 8 is 2 root 2. B squared square root is B. Therefore, the distance AB equal to square root of 2B units. One more example. Prove that the points minus 2, 5, 0, 1 and 2, 3 are collinear points. Let the points are A, that is minus 2, 5, B is 0, 1, and D, C is 2, minus 3. Let the points are x1, y1, x2, y2, and x3, y3. Now, let us find the distance AB equal square root of x2 minus x1, that is 0 minus of minus 2 is plus 2 the square, plus y2 is 1 minus y1 is 5 the whole square equal square root of 0 plus 2 is 2, 2 square is 4, plus 1 minus 4 is minus 1 minus 5 is minus 4, the whole square is 16, which is equal square root of 20. Then next we find BC is x3 minus x1, that is 2 minus 0 whole square plus y3 minus, y3 is minus 3 and y2 is minus 1 the whole square, which is equal 2 minus 0 is 2, 2 squared is 4, minus 3 minus 1 is minus 4, whole square is 16, square root of 20. Now let us find the third pair AC. Square root of AC is x3 minus x1, that is 2 minus of minus 2 is plus 2 whole square plus y3 is minus 3 and y1 is minus 5 the square equal 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 squared is 16, minus 3 minus 5 is minus 8, minus 8 whole square is 64, which is square root of 80. Then we can write square root of 80 as square root of 4 into 20, which is further equal square root of 4 is 2, that is 2 root of 20. From above result we can write AB plus BC equal AC. AB is root of 20, BC is also root of 20, AC is 2 root of 20. Root of 20 plus root of 20 is 2 root of 20, which is equal, already AC equal to root of 20. Therefore, both pairs are equal. So we can say the points are collinear points. One more example. Show that the points A 1, minus 2, B 3, 6 and C 5, 10 and D 3, 2 are the vertices of the parallelogram. Now let us draw one parallelogram here. Put the points in order A, B, C, D. Put the points. A is 1, minus 2 and B is 3, 0 and C is 5, 10 and D is 3, 2. To prove the parallelogram, join the diagonals also. Now we can prove first, we can find AB. AB is square root of 3 minus 1 square plus 6 minus of minus 2 is plus 2 whole square, which is equal square root of 3 minus 1 is 2 square is 4, 6 plus 2 is 8, 8 square is 64 here, which is equal square root of 68. AB. Then BC equal square root of 5 minus 3 whole square plus 10 minus 6 the whole square equal 5 minus 3 is 2, 2 square is 4 plus 10 minus 6 is 4, 5 minus 3, 10 minus 6. BC is 10 minus 6 is 4, 4 square is 16, which gives root of 20. BC and CD, then CD equal square root of 3 minus 5 whole square, 2 minus 10 whole square, which is equal square root of 3 minus 5 is minus 2, minus 2 square is 4 plus 2 minus 10 is minus 8, minus 8 square is 64, which is equal root of 68. Then CD, then AD equal square root of 3 minus 1 whole square, 2 minus of minus 2, that is 2 minus of minus 2 is plus 2 whole square, which is equal 3 minus 1 is 2, 2 square is 4, 2 plus 2 is 8, 8 square is 64, which gives 68. Also the diagonal AD, not diagonal, diagonal BD square root of BD 3 minus 3 whole square plus 2 minus 6 whole square equal 3 minus 3 is 0 square 0, 2 minus 6 is minus 4 square is 16, that is square root of 16. BD and AC other diagonal equal square root of 5 minus 1 whole square 10 minus of minus 2, 10 plus 2, that is 10 plus 2 square, which is equal 5 minus 1 is 4, 4 square is 16 plus 10 plus 2 is 12, 12 is 144, 144, 150, 160, square root of 160. From the above results, we can write AB equal BC, AB equal CD, and AB equal CD and BC equal to AD as well. And BD, the diagonal BD is not equal AC. From these results, we can say the points A, B, C, D forms a parallelogram. That is, A, B, C, D is a parallelogram.